Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a Boxycharm unboxing. This is Boxycharm Premium for the month of June 2020. Now, I was going to do a whole try on, get ready with me, using the products in this Boxycharm, but I decided against that once I opened something. So once we get to that, you will understand. But until then, if you want to know what I got in this month's Boxycharm Premium, then yeah, keep on watching. Alright guys, so we open it up and this is what it looks like on the inside. This month's pamphlet looks like this. I got a variation number, what is that? 55, it says down there in the corner. Yeah, I'm just going to go through it and start pulling some things out. The first thing I'm pulling out is by Glow Recipe. This is the Avocado Melt Retinol Sleeping Mask. I am so excited for this because I absolutely love Glow Recipe. I have their pineapple serum, I've got their daily watermelon one, and then I have the watermelon sleep one, and I have the watermelon face mist. Like, I love Glow Recipe, so I'm super excited. This retails for $49. I really like retinol too. I use the Peter Thomas Roth Retinol Night Cream. I really like it. Some people can't use retinol. Oh, that is cute. Okay, I absolutely love the little jar that it comes in. It's like textured, so nice. Let's open it up. It has a light smell to it. I don't know if you guys will be able to see the texture of it in there. It is very thick. Oh, but that feels nice on the skin. Yeah, it doesn't feel greasy. Oh yes, I'm excited to try this out. Like I said, I love Glow Recipe, so I'm super, super excited for this. All right. The next item I'm pulling out is a double-ended brush. It is by Billion Dollar Brows. It is the Sculpting Duo brush. This end is supposed to be for your contour and this end for your highlighter. It feels really, really soft, actually. I don't know if I would... I might use that as contour. Maybe I'll try it. Maybe like a cream contour. It's pretty dense. I would almost use this for foundation maybe, or even like concealer under the eyes. And this as a highlighter, I don't know. I like it. That's a little small to highlight, especially like right there. I'd use it to highlight under my brows maybe, or my nose, Cupid's bow, that kind of thing, but not for like above my cheekbones, I don't think. It is soft though. What does this retail for? This says it retails for $30. So that's quite the, yeah, it's not a cheap brush. Okay guys, I'm gonna pull it out. This is the one that changed my mind on doing the whole get ready with me. Okay, first of all, I was supposed to get the Cocoa Face Contour by Too Faced or whatever. I don't know. I got an email saying I was supposed to get that one, but for some reason they couldn't. So I got the Tarteist Pro Remix palette, which, you know what? Awesome. I was really excited about it. This is a palette that I have actually had my eyes on since it came out. I just haven't bought it. This retails for $49. The packaging on it is super cool. It's like holographic. I hope my camera is like picking up the holographicness of it there. So I was super excited to do a look with this palette. we will remove the little plastic thing. Okay, I'm going to try to get my camera to pick it up here. Look in the corner of this shade right here. I'm going to zoom in. I mean, do you see that? Right in this corner, right here. I don't know if my camera is focusing on it, but there is some mold growing. Let's zoom you back out. I don't know. I did take a photo of it. I'm not sure how that's going to look on camera until I start to edit it. I did take a photo of it. I will insert the photo here. So yes, I looked, like, that is definitely mold. It's fuzzy. It's growing out of the corner of it. And I don't see any on any other shades in the palette. The shades are super beautiful. I would love to use it, but I'm not going to try. I really don't want to be messing around with mold around my eyeballs. So I did email Boxycharm, and you know, I've had a couple things come broken in the past and they were really good. They, you know, exchanged it if they could. If they couldn't, they found me a new product to replace it with, or they, you know, gave me money towards the charm room. It's something, right? So I did email them. I sent them a picture. I am really disappointed. But like I said, I'm putting this on my face, around my eyes. I don't want to mess around with the mold. So that is rather disappointing. But on a better note, because the box isn't all bad. So the next product, I'm just looking for my little card now. I do not know where it went. I found it. Okay, the next thing is by one of my favorite hair product companies. It is by Living Proof. It is the Restore Instant Protection Weightless Heat and UV Protection Spray. This retails for $28. Says it's a weightless spray that adds shine while protecting against heat and UV damage. So this is amazing. I will definitely use this. I'm always doing my hair, straightening my hair, curling my hair, blow drying my hair, coloring my hair, which, by the way, if you're digging the split, the blue and the green here, you can watch the whole process. I will link it right up along the top somewhere. It might be on this side, might be on this side. You can click that and see me get my blue and green hair. But yes, back on to this. I will definitely use it. It comes in a nice aerosol can. Yeah, it smells really good. So I'm happy about that. Okay, the next thing I'm pulling out is by NARS. It is the Power Matte Lip Pigment. This retails for $26, and I got mine in the shade Call Me. So I am actually very happy with the color that I got. I hate it when you get like weird colors that you will never wear. This one is a really pretty color. I will wear it. I love NARS lipsticks. I will do a swatch right here for you so you can see. That is the color. Let me put that back on. That's the color. It is really pretty. I will definitely wear this. It is like that corally pink color. Absolutely beautiful. And the NARS formula is so good. So good. All right, guys, we have one last thing in the box. It is a big one. This, if I can pull it out of the box. Okay, I gotta get rid of this box here. This is by Grace and Stella. It is a big package of face masks. It says it's like an energy drink for your face. This retails for $25. It says, as we get older, our body's natural collagen breaks down and depletes from accumulated exposure to environmental pollution, free radicals, and UV rays, which cause our skin to lose its structure and strength. Grace and Stella's anti-wrinkle and energizing face mask is designed to diminish the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines by boosting collagen production and rejuvenating the skin. So this is a huge pack, and it is heavy. Like, let's get it open. So inside you pull out a big stack. I mean, you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And this is what they look like. They look so cool. I cannot wait to put that on my face. It seriously looks like a face mask, and it feels like it's a, like when I squish, watch when I squish it. Can you see? I don't know if my camera will pick it up, but it's almost like a jelly kind of consistency. Sorry, my light, every time I put something up, my light goes weird. Yeah, it's like a jelly consistency. I'm super excited to try one out. I might go put one on after I finish filming and do it as I edit. If I do decide to do that, I will leave a photo right here. And if anyone wants to know my thoughts on these face masks, please just leave me a comment down below and I will definitely tell you what I thought of it. Alright, so that's everything in the box. I'm super happy with all the products, again, except for the very disappointing, moldy Tartiest Pro Remix eyeshadow palette. Yeah, like I said, I did email Boxycharm. We're gonna see what happens. I have not heard back. If anyone is curious about what did happen, leave me a comment down below and I'll let you know what they did to, you know, make this better. I was disappointed. It looks like an amazing eyeshadow palette and it looks like shades I would use. So that's really sad. But all in all, everything else I'm super happy about. I will use all of the other products that I got, and the whole retail value of the box is $207. Holy crap. So, well, minus the $49 that I'm losing from not being able to use the eyeshadow palette, but still, all in all, I'm very happy. Yeah, let me know down below if you guys got the same products I did. Hopefully, if you did, your palette was a good one and not like mine. Yeah, anyways guys, thank you so much for watching. If you like these videos, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below, and if you want to be notified of any upcoming videos, then you know you gotta hit the bell. And until next time, I hope you all have a fabulous day.